The average vehicle on the road this winter is 11.9 years old. How long do you plan on keeping yours?
What's a dipstick?
I'm looking at 2 of them right now.
What?
Vehicle maintenance not only includes oil changes and tire rotations, but also preventative steps to protect its appearance. With Ziebart's industry-leading warranty program, no matter how uncertain the road ahead may be, your vehicle will continue to look and feel like new for as long as you own it. Welcome to the club.
I'll drive.
I'll drive.
Thank you.
While some things may lose their luster over the years, like Uncle Bill's tuna surprise, hey, this year I brought extra. The paint on your car, truck, or SUV doesn't have to. We'll restore that mirror-like reflection that was lost to years of oxidation, small scratches, and hazing. Then we'll lock in your new car shine with one of our paint protection options, like ceramic Z-Gloss paint coating or Z-Shield paint protection film, the optically clear barrier between your paint and life's incoming attacks. With winter comes harsh traveling conditions. Ziebart's genuine rust protection and undercoating process will not only seal the bottom of your vehicle from salt, dirt, and moisture, preventing future damage, but also protect the top side from rusting too, including your hood, trunk, and all the body panels. We guarantee no rust, backed by an ironclad, full 10-year warranty, the best in the business. Got a truck, sport utility vehicle, or anything else that might take a beating? Protect it with Rhino-Linings Spray-On Bed Liner. Airtight, rugged, and the toughest on the planet.
This'll put hair on your chest.
Dad, I'm 30 years old.
Our vehicle interiors put up with a lot. Pets, kids, food, germs, and more. With Ziebart's InnerGuard Plus, we go the extra mile. First, we apply fabric protection to prevent stains from dirt and spills. Next, leather conditioner to keep leather soft and free of cracking. And lastly, Ziebart Germ Defender to prevent new germs from forming on surfaces for up to 90 days, keeping your car and family safe and healthy. And with the Ziebart gift card, you could give a loved one that new car feeling without the new car cost. We stand behind all of our interior and exterior products and services with exceptional workmanship by our trained, certified technicians. Remember, it's us or rust. Extend the life and value of your vehicle with Ziebart.